Hello and welcome to a new stock spin-off channel. I want to create this channel instead of my other channel that is focused more on finance and stock and all that. I want to create a specific channel about spin-offs for stock. I think there's like a gap in the market, like YouTube, Google, Reddit, not a lot of people talking about it. And basically there's a whole industry just on a plain simple view. There's a whole industry of spin-off stocks that basically they take the company, for example, this one that we're going to talk about in a minute. They take the company and then they like spin off a certain specific part of that company, part of that business, something specific that that business does, and they make a whole new company to create more value for the shareholders. At least that's the theory behind spin-off of stocks. There's some information out there, not too much. There's a book on Amazon. Probably in the next video, I'll make links and all that just to get things going. But at the end of the day, what you need to know that if you hold, I'm treating this just like not yes from a professional point of view, but also from like airdrop. I came from the crypto world, so I'm treating those as an airdrop, the airdrop game. That's what I'm doing. I'm not treating this, hey, this is the parent company, they do this, this is their financial, this is how to analyze earning per share. No, I'm treating this like airdrop or dividend capture, whatever you want to call it. I want the free money. That's the game plan of this specific stuff. And there's lists out there that you can search. There's a website that I'm gonna subscribe. I can show you next video. There's a very interesting person. I don't know his name. I just ran into him, but he has a list of all the upcoming and past spin-offs. Pretty impressive guy. And then, so I take like the name, like the first name, the last update, most recent update, and then I go and do more digging. So what I found today, I hope you can watch this today. I don't know about YouTube algorithm, but today, July 29, 2024, we got this company, Howard Hughes Holding, HHH. Bill Ackman, the spec, he holds a lot of those. They are doing a spin-off, okay, literally today, like today by the end of trading, that's why I want to post it. There's a new company. Now again, as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not looking to finance and learn about the parent company. I'm looking to learn what happens if I buy the parent company today, how much shares I will get in the new company. That's my game plan. Is it a good deal to me or not? And this is what we're gonna do in this channel. Hopefully, we're gonna go over all the new, basically stocks. But I gotta say, but we're gonna go over the past spin-offs to see what other spin-offs made. So maybe you can say to yourself, okay, this is like a new stock in the world of investing. I might want to invest in it. That's something to consider. I can go past of all the stuff that happened the last year or two, or I can go over all the new spin-off that will come in the next couple of months. Now, keep in mind, it's not like every day. It's like airdrop. There's maybe like one or two a quarter. Okay, so that's what you need to think about. Every quarter, you buy the home stock, just like crypto. You buy the home stock, and eventually, but it's not like crypto where there's a surprise one day. Hey, we're going live with this coin, and this is the allocation. No, here there's press releases. It's more legit. They're telling you, okay, we are doing the spin-off. This is how much you get if you own the parent company and all that. So, with that being said, we're gonna go to the home page. Okay, so basically how you get here, you just click on profile, you go to Howard Hughes Holding, you can learn about the company and all that and what they're doing. This is actually, I want to own the small new company, because if you're getting a not dividend, if you're getting the spin-off stock for free just by holding the parent company, okay, Basically, you got free shares of a new company, and then you have a choice: hold it, sell it, do whatever that you want, and but also learn about it. It's like a new, as I said, like in airdrop, new coin drops, you get the airdrop, and then you get a choice what to do with it, and maybe hold it, and maybe 5 years from now it will be worth a lot. All that stuff. Discover Howard Hughes Opportunity Investor Relations. So this is their website. See if I can make it a little bigger. Okay. And in here, just so you know where to search, you can go, first of all, you can learn about it. I'm not going to learn, I did a little bit before, but this is the home company, HHH, 74 bucks as of the closing of the last trading day. Market cap 3.7 billion. And what I'm looking for is the press releases, news releases. You either go to investors and you can look from here, or look in here and then find what is relevant for us, which is, let's see, Howard Hughes reports second quarter. No. Okay, you see, that's what I'm saying. If you're interested in the home stock, in the parent company, and then the spin-off, great. Learn about the company, learn their financials, if they beat earnings, if they haven't. That's one thing. But for me, I'm looking for this one. Howard Hughes Holdings announced changes to Seaport Entertainment Group. So we're gonna click here, okay? And we're gonna read. And we're gonna read not to find out exactly all the stuff. We're gonna read to find what's in it for me. How much money am I gonna get from this special spin-off situation? That's the key. And if you like, it's a new channel, subscribe, like all that stuff for the algorithm. It's a channel to make money. I'm new to this, don't get me wrong. I haven't done spin-off for years, but there's a system, there's a method to this madness. I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. That's the conclusion. Howard Hughes Holding announced change to Seaport Entertainment Group post spin-off stock exchange July 23, which is yesterday. The Woodland in Texas. Okay, so they're in Texas. Newswire. Howard Hughes Holding. Again, the Bill Ackman, he likes this company. HHH. This is the parent company. You're getting a new company. You're getting an airdrop of shares of a new company based on the parent company. Okay? Announced today that outstanding shares of common stock of Seaport Entertainment. Okay, Seaport Entertainment Group is probably like the specific business of HHH. Again, I'm not an expert on HHH. I don't know anything about them other than Bill Ackman holds shares and is a big investor. That's it. I don't know what they do. I read a little bit yesterday. It looks nice. It's fun. That's all I know. It looks interesting. You get some part of entertainment retail in New York and in Las Vegas, and I like to hold that. Sure, I'll probably hold it. Okay, so Seaport Entertainment Group. That's the new company. Seaport Entertainment will be traded on the New York Stock Exchange NYC following their distribution to HHH common stockholder. The distribution of record at the close of business, there we go, on July 29, 2024, the record date. Distribution is expected to be payable after market close, okay, on July 31st, distribution date. So we're getting paid 2 days later, but what do we need to do to get this? It's not dividend, it's a whole new thing, it's a spin-off. It's not a new thing, it's a whole other thing. This is a change from the previous announcement on Tuesday, July 18, which stated that Seaport Entertainment common stock would be traded on the okay, so they trade on NYSE America instead of NYSE. Okay, sure. Let's continue. HHH now expects, when issued, trading of Seaport Entertainment common stock to begin July 29 under the symbol SEG when issued WI. The when issued trading market, interesting. So that's the ticker symbol SEG, and there will be an SEG when issued for like a day or two. That's what I'm understanding. Again, not sure, but this is what I'm reading. This is a whole new territory for me, and there's money to be made in this territory. The when issued trading market is a market for the yet to be issued shares of Seaport Entertainment common stock that will be distributed to holders. There we go. Holders of HHH common stock on distribution date regular way. Trading of Seaport Entertainment common stock is expected to begin trading, okay, August 1st under the okay, so August 1st, we got the ticker symbol SEG. This is the new stock. So it's starting August 1st. How do we get that? That's the question, probably here. Shares of HHH common stock. Okay, let me make it bigger. I hope you can see. That's the I think you can see, but let's make it bigger because we're getting to the best part. Shares of HHH common stock, there we go, will continue to trade regular way on NYSE under symbol HHH through distribution date. HHH expected beginning July 29, there will be two markets, interesting, in HHH common stock regular way under the symbol HHH and X distribution under the symbol HHH WI, which is, what do we know, when issued. Prior to distribution, shares of HHH common stock, that's the regular one, the trade in the regular way will trade with the right to receive shares of Seaport Entertainment on the distribution date. Shares of HHH common stock, the regular one, that trade in the X distribution market will trade without the right to receive. Interesting. Okay. Holders of HHH common stocks are encouraged to consult with their financial advisor regarding the specific implication of selling HHH common stock on or before distribution date. So, okay, we still don't have the information, but I assume as of today there will be like two stocks for the next few days, HHH and HHHWI. And I'm gonna try this experiment on Robinhood and see what I get. I don't know. I don't know what Robinhood will do. Hopefully I'll get the airdrop, as they say. As previously reported, an information statement containing details regarding the distribution and Seaport Entertainment business and management following the consumption of the distribution will be mailed to HHH stockholders prior to distribution date. Okay. Distribution remains subject to the satisfaction or waiver of customary conditions, including the SEC having this declared Seaport registered statement Form 10. Okay, where's the money, as they say? Having declared Seaport. Let me find the money. Howard Hughes owns money. Okay, let me find the money. Give me a. Okay. So I found this one, okay, same thing, just you scroll a little bit in the investor page and basically July 18th. So a week ago we got another press release. Howard Hughes Holdings, this is the money, as they say. Board of Directors approved separation of Seaport Entertainment Group, Inc. So this is the new stock. So let's read. Woodland, Texas, July 18. Howard Hughes Holdings, HHH, the company, announced today that its board of directors authorized and declared pro rata distribution 100% of the outstanding shares of common stock of Seaport Entertainment Group. So we are getting Seaport Entertainment Group to holders of record of HHH common stock as of the close of business July 29. The distribution is expected to be payable after market close July 31st. Okay. As a result of distribution, this is the holders of HHH common stock will receive one share, okay, of Seaport Entertainment common stock for every 9 shares of HHH common stock held at the close of business record date. Okay, this is what we needed. Holders of HHH common stock will receive one share of Seaport Entertainment common stock for every 9 shares of HHH common stock held at the close of business on record date. So we are here. Okay, interesting. So let's go back to here. This is the key. Howard Hughes. The price today is 75 bucks, let's say. Interesting. And with that 75 bucks, you need 9 shares to get 1 share of SEG. This is like the stock airdrop. I'm making a new terms as I go. This is something interesting. Now, something else. Let's say you have less or more. Well, more, not less, because you need minimum 9 HHH to get 1. Fractional shares, let's say you have 10, for example, fractional shares or 100 of Seaport Entertainment common stock will not be distributed to HHH stockholder. Instead, the fractional shares of Seaport Entertainment common stock will be aggregated and sold in the open market with the net proceed distributed pro rata in cash payment. Interesting, cash payment. Okay, to HHH stockholder who otherwise would have received fractional shares of Seaport. So, from my understanding, let's say you buy or you have 10 shares of HHH, you will get 1 SEG share for every 9 HHH you have. But let's say you have 10, that 1 extra HHH, you're not going to get like 0.1 SEG, you're just going to get cash value into your Robinhood account or whatever. That's my understanding. I haven't done it before. I'm gonna try it today on Robinhood. I'm gonna post it on my regular account, but I will also post it on my new account, new channel that I just created. But because it's new, I don't think it will reach the algorithm. It's called Stock Spinoff. I just created the title, so if you're interested in that, go sign up to Stock Spinoff, where I will exclusively talk about stock spin-offs in the past and in the future. But this is what I'm gonna do today. So we have until the end of today's trading day, July 29th, to buy. Not a financial advice, it can go to zero. I've never done stock spin-off. Don't treat this as a guru or get rich quick or money, like quick money. But I think there's something here. I think this is like sort of hidden airdrop that people don't know about, because again, go search the term stock spin-off in YouTube. There's like 5-10 results. There's absolutely not a lot. So there's a gap that I want to fill and go a little deeper than this video. But just in general, you need 9 shares of HHH. Say this again. Holders of HHH common stock will receive 1 share of Seaport Entertainment common stock for every 9 shares they held at the close of business on record. No action is required by HHH stockholders, so you don't need to open your MetaMask, click claim, not available for US people and all that. No action is required by HHH stockholder to receive the distribution shares of common stock of Seaport Entertainment. HHH stockholders who hold HHH common stock on the record date will either receive a book entry account statement reflecting their ownership of Seaport, or their brokerage account will be credited with Seaport Entertainment shares. Okay, so you either get, if it's in Robinhood or whatever, you either get the shares of SEG or you get like IOU. That's what I understand. Receive a book entry account statement. The shares are expected to be credited to street name stockholders through the Depository Trust Corporation on distribution date. I assume probably it's not gonna be instant, but maybe by a week from now, Robinhood will drop shares in your account. Information statement containing details regarding distribution of SEG Entertainment common stock and Seaport Entertainment business and management following the consumption of distribution will be mailed to HHH stockholders prior to distribution date. Interesting. You should have got a mail if you hold the stock. Interesting. Distribution remains subject to satisfaction. Okay, Claire Seaport Entertainment registration form. Okay. HHH expect when issue trading of Seaport Entertainment common stock begin July 29 on New York Stock Exchange under the symbol SEGYWI. The when issued trading mark is marked for yet to be issued. Okay, and will be distributed to holders common stock on the distribution regular way. This is like common stock of Seaport is expected to begin. So if you just want to buy the spin-off, you can start buying SCG, that's the new stock, on August 1st, if you don't hold HHH. Shares of HHH will continue to trade regular way, expect to begin, two markets. Okay, we already read that in the other one. The trade in the extra market will trade without the right to risk. Okay. So I don't know. I don't think Robinhood has two HHH now. If I'm searching, they probably not. It's not okay. So that I don't know. So I'm just gonna buy 9 shares. I'll probably buy 18 shares. Just it's like $1,500 or something like that. 13, and I want to see in a few days if I get 2 shares, and then I have a choice to either buy, sell, hold, whatever. I don't know. But this is and if the share price of the new SCG is like, it could be, I don't know, $10, $100, $50, 1,000, anything in between. I don't know. But it's like free airdrop. It's a small one, but I call it free. It's not free, but at the end of the day, you can buy this, let's say at 73, and then let's say I don't know, it drops 10%, but you get I don't know. I don't think it will drop because it's not like dividend. They don't take it from here. They make a whole new company, a whole new spin-off from the company. So it's not like dividend X date where the share price drop exactly by the dividend. This is a whole new beast, as they say, that we are going to learn about. For tax purposes, U.S. shareholders generally should not recognize gain or loss as a result of distribution, except with respect to cash received. Okay, so that I read about it. I'm not a tax person, but from what I understand, if you get spin-off of shares, it's like a tax-free event. But it says here, but if you have, as we said, if you have 10 instead of 9, the cash part that you get is taxable. As far as I read this, I'm not a tax person. Go advise with the tax person. HHA stockholders urged to consult tax advisor. Yeah, exactly. Wells Fargo is serving financial advisor, and Latam Watkins LP is serving legal advisor, and JP Morgan Securities serving as financial advisory. Okay, a lot of people are in this spin-off thingy. It's okay. Interesting. So my next move after I post this video to my regular channel, also to stock spin-off channel. This is where I'll start doing spin-off videos. Is to buy 18 shares of HHH, probably use Robinhood and see where it takes me. And if in a few days I will get 2 shares of SEG that's worth, I don't know, $100, $200, hey, free money. So that's the airport part, airdrop part. So if you like that stuff, all that everything, yeah. Again, this is not the main channel, not the focus. My channel right now focus with my partnership with Market Chameleon. I will post a link to the new channel. There's nothing there, the stock spin-off, but go subscribe and alert notification, all that stuff. But now you know what to do. Can this go to zero by I don't know. I've never done this. This is a thing. People do it. The people do the spin-offs, but people are not talking about spin-offs in YouTube or in general. I don't know why. There's no demand, and there's also not a lot. As I said, there's maybe, I don't know, 5 a quarter, 3 to 5 a quarter. It's a good thing. Maybe 10, 15 a year. So let's average like once a month. I don't mind getting one airdrop a month. Just buying new shares. I'll probably buy it in my IRA. That you also need a strategy. You buy it in your, let's say you buy on Robinhood, and then you sell or you hold or whatever, or if you buy it in a Roth IRA, which I'm trying to move to Tastyworks, but I don't know. It takes too long. Maybe I would just buy it there, get the free airdrop, and hold it for 20 years, and have a whole bunch of spin-off shit just free shares in my IRA. That's my strategy that I'm thinking about doing. Okay, so that's my point of view. Okay, this is a long video, 25 minutes. It's way too much, but it's a new subject for me. So I'm excited. I hope this was valuable. Subscribe. I'll see you next time.